The power of oregano oil, how it can improve your health. What if I told you that there's a powerful oil that can improve your overall health and wellness? Have you ever experienced digestive issues, respiratory problems, or skin irritations? Well, oregano oil could be the solution you're looking for. But before we dive into the amazing benefits of oregano oil, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Remember, this video is provided only for informational purposes. It does not represent medical advice. Always get medical attention from a qualified professional. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the natural ways to improve our health and well-being. Today, we're going to be talking about a powerful herb that has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of health conditions, oregano oil. First, we'll discuss the production process for oregano oil. Usually, the oregano plant's leaves and flowers are steam distilled to produce oregano oil, Origanum vulgar. Carvacrol and thymol, the main active components of oregano oil, are among the volatile chemicals that the steam removes. In order to create the finished oregano oil product, the resulting steam and oil mixture is then condensed back into a liquid. Some businesses might create oregano oil using steam distillation rather than alcohol extraction techniques. The herb oregano, Origanum vulgar, has historically been used for a variety of medical purposes. The oil and plant of oregano provide the following potential health benefits. Number 1, antimicrobial properties. Oregano oil has potent antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Number 2, respiratory health. Oregano oil has been shown to have a positive effect on respiratory health, helping to alleviate symptoms of conditions like asthma, flu, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Asthma sufferers, take note. Oregano oil has been shown to have powerful antimicrobial properties that can help alleviate respiratory issues. One study found that using oregano oil on a daily basis helped reduce the frequency and severity of asthma attacks. Number 3, digestive health. Oregano oil can improve digestive health by reducing bloating and discomfort. It has also been shown to help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, diarrhea, and constipation. A recent case study found that oregano oil can improve digestive health by reducing bloating and discomfort. One of the participants reported a significant improvement in symptoms within just a week of using oregano oil. Number 4, skin health. Oregano oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for skin irritations and conditions like eczema and psoriasis. In one study, patients who applied oregano oil to their skin saw a significant improvement in symptoms after just a few weeks. Number 5, immune system support. Oregano oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help boost the immune system, helping to protect against infections and other illnesses. Number 6, pain relief. Oregano oil has been used to help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis and menstrual cramps. Number 7, antioxidant properties. Oregano oil is high in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and cellular damage. Number 8, cardiovascular health. Oregano oil has been shown to have a positive effect on cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering cholesterol levels. There are several ways to use oregano oil to help your health. Some of the most popular techniques are: 1. Oral consumption. Oregano oil can be taken orally, either on its own or mixed with a carrier oil like olive oil. It's important to dilute oregano oil before consumption, as it can be quite strong. 2. Topical application. Oregano oil can be applied topically to the skin to help with skin irritations and conditions. It can be mixed with a carrier oil or used in creams and ointments. 3. Aromatherapy. Oregano oil can be used in aromatherapy to help with respiratory issues and improve overall well-being. Simply add a few drops to a diffuser or vaporizer. 4. Cooking. Oregano oil can be used in cooking to add flavor to dishes and provide health benefits. Oregano oil can be made at home or purchased from a variety of internet stores. It's important to note that oregano oil is very strong and should be used with care. It should not be consumed when breastfeeding or while pregnant. As alternative, they can use coconut oil, which has comparable properties without harming the child. Since essential oils are highly concentrated, they should not be consumed. It's also important to understand that certain chemicals may be found in larger amounts in some oregano varieties. A bottle of this inexpensive oil is a fantastic ally in your arsenal of natural health remedies. Just remember to consult your physician before using oregano oil, as it may interact with some drugs. How to create oregano oil at home: ingredients and process. Ingredients: 1 bundle of oregano. Before using, sunflower oil should be added to the glass container with the oregano until it is completely absorbed. After letting the oil stand for 2 days, tightly cap the bottle and store it somewhere dark. After 2 weeks, remove the oregano. The oil made in this manner will keep for an entire year. In extremely modest doses, oregano oil can be used to treat internal and external yeast infections. For the purpose of treating the illness known as onychomycosis, sometimes known as nail fungus, is oregano oil a killer? Dosage of oregano oil for a few common illnesses. To treat a headache, dab a drop on the temple. Ear pain, rub 1 drop behind the ear. Toothaches and gum disorders, add 1 drop on a brush instead of paste. Tense muscles, applying 1 drop topically. Joint pain, use topical massage. Onychomycosis, warts, and skin fungus, apply 1 drop to each nail 2 to 3 times per day. These are just a few of the many benefits that oregano oil has to offer. With its potent antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, it's no wonder that oregano oil is becoming a popular natural remedy for many health conditions. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your overall health and wellness, consider adding oregano oil to your daily routine. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and interesting, and we hope to see you in the next video.